My very, very clever son built this for me, and he's an absolute angel. It's going to hold 4 people for a workshop class. Once it's finished, it's going to be my new home, my new play den.
This is Lynda Robinson. Lynda is the founder of Touchwood Vintage Designs, a business that upcycles old furniture and gives it a fresh lease of life. We first met Lynda at the PopUp business event in Croydon in 2016, where she arrived with nothing more than an idea. Look, there she is. We caught up with Lynda, now 2 years into her business, to see how she's getting on and to discuss the highs and lows of starting your own business.
My name's Lynda. I built up Touchwood Vintage Designs about 2.5 years ago now, and it's become a passion basically. My best friend, she said to me, why don't you paint some furniture? So I sort of thought about it, and I basically went out and got a small chest of drawers, painted it, put a bit of decoupage on, and the rest is history really. I haven't stopped since. So it's just been a real adventure. Challenging, really challenging at times. I've given up a few times as well, but I'm just so glad that I stuck with it really. My life was pretty crap. I'd suffered a breakdown. I'm not ashamed of it. Why should anybody be ashamed of having a breakdown? Lots of people go through it these years. If it wasn't for my friend Angie sort of suggesting I paint some furniture for the time being, to see how I get on with it, I don't think, I wouldn't have been doing what I'm doing now. But if somebody had asked me 5 years ago, you'd be upcycling vintage furniture for a living, I would have just laughed at them basically. First year, timeline wise, was, it was just a play. Oh wow, I've got a business, It wasn't anything like that. I went to National Enterprise Allowance, and they thought I was pretty bonkers really, because who was going to buy furniture, old furniture, so they weren't interested. But it's just so exciting now. I've gone from not knowing what I want to do with my life, being 50 and being made redundant is not good. Every piece of furniture I get now, I just get, wow, yeah, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. It just really picks me up, it just makes me feel better. I'm going to call it the stage. So, my very, very clever son built this for me. It's going to hold 4 people for a workshop class. Once it's finished, it's going to be my new home. I'm going to have a table in the middle, and then there's going to be 4 people at each workshop basically, and I'm going to be teaching them how to upcycle a small table. One of the reasons why I want this doing is because I'm just going to be organised. At the moment I've got all my designs up in my bedroom, so everything's all over the place, and it'd be just nice to have all my tools and everything in one place so I don't have to keep looking for it. As I said, I gave up quite a few times because I hadn't sold anything, and I'd just speak to my friend and she would just say, don't give up, you've got something good there, you've got to just push forward and just carry on. 2016 was when I first started doing it, and when I look back now, my work wasn't that brilliant. And I realise that now. As you go along, you start realising what you love. If you love and you've got that passion, that obsession for it, you will do well, whatever you do. To actually have that free session with you guys, that just really helped me. And really was motivating. It really picked me up and thought, yeah, I can do this. You will realise that if you've got this idea and it's going to be big and you're going to love it. That's the most important thing, I think, is go out there, meet people, meet Pop-Up Business School, because they are absolute diamonds and we're brilliant people. But just go along and just enjoy the day, take some ideas back, and just go with the flow and never give up. Even in those dark days, don't give up. Yeah. So you can't do it on your own. You do need support, and you also need positive people around you. And definitely Aling and Simon are very positive people. Alan was really helpful towards me because I wasn't in a good place, but he really did sort of spur me on, I suppose. I don't like to think about the past too much, because the future is now going to be rosy. this time next year, watch out, because I'm going to be on the high street.